Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer pictures or photos from Android to Android. So let's get started. First of all, go to your gallery application on your phone, and this is my gallery application, so just tap on it. Then we can select the photos or the pictures that we're going to transfer. And for example, I'm going to transfer photos from this Instagram folder. And then if you want to select multiple photos or pictures, we just need to tap and hold on one of the picture. Then we can select one by one like this. Or if you want to select all photos from this folder, you just need to click on all button right here. Then click on share to transfer the photo. And hold on guys. Okay, and I suggest you or I recommend you to transfer these photos by nearby share, because the process will be faster and it will be so helpful if you have a large amount of photos. And you just need to click on nearby share right here, then you can follow the instruction. Okay guys, and that's how we can transfer photo from Android to Android. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.